What up?
What's going on?
We are in Las Vegas. I know it's been a while since we vlogged, but I thought,
in a quarter mile, turn right onto North Airport Connector.
Using the direction thing. Anyway, we are here because my parents bought a house here, and they are doing their walkthrough this weekend, or actually it's Sunday today, so Monday, tomorrow, we are going to see the house.
Turn right onto North Airport Connector.
So, but we are staying in Vegas. We're staying at the Wynn. Sorry, bump. But yeah, I thought I'd vlog this whole thing. So, we are on our way to the Wynn right now, and we're gonna check in, and then we have dinner with my parents at 6. They're staying with my cousin and my uncle for the weekend. So yeah, so I'll check in later. Okay, bye. Hi. So I'm at my parents' new house, and I'm gonna give you a tour, okay? So just one sec. So this is the outdoor area. So I don't know, when we have we get a barbecue, and like they'll figure that all out, but this is the backyard. And I'm in the living room right now. So you're like, it's really high ceilings. And that's the upstairs. And this is their kitchen. So they have like so much counter space. And there's the stove and the pot filler. And the sink. I'm so jealous of her sink because it's just one. And the dishwasher, and the fridge will go here. And there's more counter space, and she's got this fancy microwave that's also convection, and her oven, and this is her pantry. And I'm gonna turn on the light so you guys can see. It's a big pantry. And there's the hood. And then this is behind the kitchen, and this will be the laundry room. So we'll put the laundry in here. And this is just a closet with the smart panel. And then this door leads out to the garage, which is a 3-car garage. And that's the back of the house. It does also have, you can see this little lip right here. That's for central vac. So they just sweep, and that'll take all the dirt away. So yeah, here's another view of the kitchen. There's everything here. And so then that's the front door. And this leads to my parents' room. So this is their bedroom. And this is the front view of the house. So this private walkway, and that leads to the cul-de-sac. So there's no parking in the front. And then you keep going through here, and here's their master bath. They have 2 sinks. Hi. Nice tub. Here's their shower. The room. Toilet in its own room. But I think the best part of this is their walk-in. So this is their walk-in closet for all of their clothes. So many shelves. We wanted it to be like I mean, my mom's like didn't want a dresser, so we just said, oh, let's just, sorry, let's just get a really good walk-in closet. So they have drawers in here, so they don't have to get a dresser. So yeah, so we're doing the walkthrough today. I'm gonna lead you. These are the stairs. that go upstairs. So we're going upstairs.
So it's just a little trick of the trade the AC guys told us to do.
There's my dad. There's Lulu. And we go out to the porch.
Just a little trick of the trade with these vaulted ceilings.
And you can see the view, the neighborhood. And that window overlooks.
It recycles your air for 15 minutes. Never knew that. And it doesn't use any more electricity than a regular ceiling fan
Sorry.
would use. Never knew
My
that.
office. So here's the office.
Never knew that.
Inside.
Until the AC guy told me, oh, yeah, run the fan.
Lots of space.
Use up the same amount of energy as a regular
Amazing. You go down here. This is a loft. And there's one of the spare rooms. There's a nice closet in here. So here's another room. So we use as a guest room. Really high ceilings. Nice view. And then go again to another room. Just another room. And then they share a bathroom. There's the bathroom for them. So here's the bathroom. And bathroom. It's great. And then you go down this hallway, and there's a little kind of bar area right here. Let's see. That's the loft area, but again, that overlooks. See upstairs. So this is the room that me and Louie are gonna have. So this is our room. It's got really big closet, which is nice. Big closet. And it's got these cool windows that overlook. I think you can see. I don't know if you can see it from here. But if you look more to the left, I can't see it from here, but you can see the strip. And then here's my bathroom. So there's a shower. Nice. It's got a little window. So yeah. So this is the house. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. Love it. It's amazing. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go downstairs and just show you the front so you guys can see it. But so cute. So go down the stairs. This is the other, I don't know if I brought you in here already, but this is the downstairs like powder room. And then this is the outside area. It's got a little kind of patio. I'm gonna walk down the stairs here so you guys can just see the front of the house. Oops, door shut. It's a little windy. You can see we've got this little private walkway. Yeah. So this is future home. Almost here. Exciting. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. I just wanted to show you the view of where you can see the Vegas Strip. So there's Vegas back in the background right there. Do you see it?
I mean, those people, the HOA go at a snail's pace. So